So this is the Vion Model 3 and Model Y center console hub. You get two USB-Cs, which is nice. You see also one of them is 27 watts, so you can power laptops, MacBook Pros that are powered by USB-C. And then you have two USB-A plugs, which is nice because the Model 3 and Model Y only has USB-C. So if you look in the center console right now, there's two USB-Cs that I have plugged in for me and my wife. And we use those because there are two wireless chargers here, but it's too far away if you want to use the phone, and it can make your phone a little hot. So this thing is going to replace these, which is going to make life easier. So when you put it in, you just want to make sure the USB-Cs are on the right-hand side, and then just go down into your center console, which your storage, I guess, front storage you'd call it. The USB-Cs are kind of hard to see, which is another good reason to use this thing. It's totally worth the 40 bucks to not have to look for these USBs, and it looks nicer. And then once you get it out, there's these tracks here on each side. You just want to make sure that you get on each side, you put it in the tracks like so, and then you just pull and snap it into place. And then if you shut this, it looks pretty OEM. So I've got my phone plugged in here charging. Currently charging at 4 watts. We're not using the fast one because my phone's at 95%, but you get the idea. It works great. And again, the other nice thing is there are these USB-A's here. So if you have something that's not USB-C, it's way easier to do this than have to use some kind of connector, because there is no USB-A that comes stock in a Model Y or Model 3. So there's the Vion center console USB hub for Model Ys and Model 3s. It's about 40 bucks, totally worth the price, just to not have to try to find these holes down here for the USB-Cs, and it just makes it a cleaner look. And then you can obviously just put these cables away when you're not using it. Link in the description, also a link to my Tesla referral. Use that link, save yourself $1,000 off a new Tesla. Hope this video helps, and until next time, caw.